Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an ultimate clean with me bedroom edition. So I'm going to be cleaning our bedroom, which we have been making a few changes to. It's still a work in progress, but you guys will get to see some of the decor changes we've made. And also in this video, I'm going to clean Uriah's room, and we actually replaced his current mattress with a DreamCloud mattress, and he was super excited about it. So I'm definitely going to let you guys know more about this mattress, and big thank you to dreamcloud for sponsoring this video. So we're actually going to start by unboxing the DreamCloud mattress, and we decided to do this the day before because we wanted to give it a full 24 hours so that it could expand a little bit more. You will see that the mattress is pretty much good to go whenever you take it out of the box. It does expand pretty quickly. Now it does say that it can take up to 48 hours, but you guys will get to see exactly what the mattress looked like once we got it out of the plastic. It was almost pretty much good to go. So you could definitely sleep on it if you needed to, which is a really great plus with this mattress because you don't have to wait a long amount of time for it to get expanded. Once it comes out of the box, it's pretty much good to go if you need it. So you guys will get to see that. So this is what the mattress looked like once it came out of the box. Definitely sleepable, but we did want to give it 24 hours to expand a little bit more. So now we're going to move on to the next day, and we're going to start cleaning our main bedroom. And you guys will notice some changes that I will talk about throughout this video. And one change that most of you have already noticed is the bed. So we got this bed back in January, and I absolutely love it. I ordered it off of Amazon, and we moved our other bed to the guest bedroom. I definitely wanted to change up the decor a little bit in here, so I'm really loving the way that it looks. So I will have the bed linked below. Also, I've been getting a few questions about the actual bedding, so I'll also link that below. A few things are from Amazon, and I got a couple of other pieces other places, so I'll have everything linked below if you guys are interested. Clean off the nightstands a little bit. I'm still on the hunt for nightstands that I feel like will go with the decor a little bit better. So yeah, I definitely have been taking my time with trying to find pieces that I feel like will go better in here, but we'll move these nightstands down to the guest bedroom once we replace them. So yeah, I just wanted to wipe it down really good just because the nightstand gets used a lot, so I have to make sure that I'm cleaning it pretty regularly. As you guys can tell, Colton's nightstand has way less going on than mine, but I still wanted to give it a really good wipe down. So now I'm gonna wipe off the top of this taller dresser. And if you guys are wondering, the dresser set is from Z Gallery, and I got it years ago. I think it was 2013. I got it during a Black Friday sale, and I got a really great deal on it. And the quality of the furniture seems to be good. We've had it for many years, and it still looks really great. So I really didn't want to get rid of it. So that's why once I find new pieces for up here, I'll just move all of this to the guest bedroom. So I wiped the top down, and I'm using Sprayway's multi-surface spray, which I really love. And now I'm just gonna move on to this dresser and wipe it down. And this tree was was pretty dusty, so I wanted to wipe it down. The tree is actually from Overstock, and I recently added a pot with the little greenery on top, and I thought it turned out really cute. I was gonna get a new one, but then I was like, you know what? Let me just try to spruce it up a little bit. Also, this little vanity setup is new to our bedroom, and I recently got this probably about a week ago, so I haven't quite got it set up and got all of my makeup in it yet, but I really wanted a place in the bedroom to do my makeup. I ordered the vanity from Mod Shop, and it took it a while to get here. I'm gonna say about 6 months, so I will pre-warn you, the shipping is really slow. So now I'm gonna clean off this table. This is actually an Amazon find, and I absolutely love this table. I really love the acrylic furniture because it just gives a really airy look, almost like nothing's there. So this setup is new. These chairs I just picked up from a local furniture store called the White House Interiors, and you guys can follow them on Instagram. They have so many beautiful pieces, and I think you can order through like their Instagram page. I'm not really sure, but yeah, they have a lot of amazing pieces. And I've also been trying to figure out curtains in this space. So the length is really strange because if I do 108, it's just a little bit too long. As you guys can tell, they drag a little bit. But if I do 96, then it's too short. So I wanted to do something that might be a little bit more custom, or maybe take these to the cleaners and get them cleaned and hemmed. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure out something with that. And now I'm just gonna wipe down this mirror. I really love this mirror. I got it from Wayfair a few years ago, but I just love how simple it is. I don't think they have it anymore, but if I can find it, I will link it below. And once I get everything clean, the last thing I like to do is vacuum. So just going over the floors, especially where the pampas grass is, because when I moved it to clean that table, it got everywhere. And I did do the trick where you can spray it with hairspray, but it's still shedding a little bit. So yeah, I got that pampas grass from a girl on Instagram. I'll put her link below. I think you just DM her to purchase, but the pampas grass is absolutely beautiful. And would it really be a NitraaB video if I didn't light at least one candle? So yeah, that is the bedroom. It's all nice and clean, and I'm really loving the way that it's turning out. Like I told you guys, it's still a work in progress, so I'll definitely be updating you guys as we make more changes. So now moving on to Uriah's room. It had been 24 hours, so we're taking off the old mattress and we're gonna put on the dreamcloud mattress. And the main reason we decided to replace the mattress is because the other one was nothing that I had put a lot of thought into. It was just something I grabbed off of Amazon. So I really wanted to get something that would be more comfortable and that would definitely last. But dreamcloud has really great mattresses. They also have bases and bedding, and they do product bundles that will help you save even more. And the mattresses actually feature gel memory foam that helps you have a cool sleep. It's also a plush tight top that gives you that soft support and contour. So I just knew that this would be a mattress that would last for a long time, and we won't have to worry about replacing the mattress after a few years. And dreamcloud offers a 365 night trial, so you can try the mattress for an entire year before you decide if it's right for you. They also have a lifetime warranty. They have free shipping and return, so if you're not 100% satisfied, you will get a full refund. And they also have financing available if you want to go that route. So I would definitely say check out dreamcloud, because having a good mattress is really important, and whether you have a good night's rest or not is going to have a lot to do with your mattress. So it's definitely an investment. You're sleeping on it every single night, so you need to make sure that it's going to be something that's going to last and that's going to give you a good quality of sleep. So I will have a link below if you guys are interested in checking out dreamcloud. And now we're just finishing putting on his bedding, and you guys might have noticed that I actually snagged something throughout the video. So I have a hole in my cardigan, but once I noticed it, I just went ahead and tied the hole together so it wouldn't be an eyesore throughout the video. there's his finished bed. It looks so cute. So now I'm gonna move on to cleaning up the room a little bit. It wasn't too bad. I just need to pick up these books, and I'm also going to clean out his dressers because, as you guys know, the season is changing. We're getting more into spring, so I just needed to go through his drawers and get rid of stuff that was too small. And I had also just picked up some new things, so I just wanted to clear out a little bit. Try to keep his drawers as organized as possible and keep everything separated. So yeah, I just got him some new swimsuits and shorts and things just for the spring and summertime. And this was a basket from a few days ago that I'm just now getting around to putting up. Hashtag mom life. Sometimes I fold the clothes and then it takes me a few days to actually put them away. So since it was warming up, I was also going through the fall and winter clothes that I knew wouldn't fit next season. So I just wanted to go ahead and start clearing stuff out and just making room. And I did keep 3 pairs of jeans and 2 pairs of sweatpants just because this Alabama weather is all over the place, and I know even though it's warm one day, it might be cool the next. So it probably won't get warm like consistently until May, so I didn't want to get rid of all of his pants quite yet. And I'm just transferring everything from this basket into this bag so that we can get it donated. I always like to make sure that I'm donating his clothes and toys and any of our clothes. And this stack of clothes I was actually going to hang up, but then I decided to just add it to the drawers because I don't have all of his clothes hanging up, so sometimes I'll forget that they're hanging in the bathroom. So until we figure out his closet situation, I'm just gonna start keeping everything in the drawers because yeah, I'll forget. We have a little hanging space in there, but it's not a lot, so we have to figure that out at a later date. We're gonna try to put like a closet system in there. So now I'm gonna wipe down the furniture, his little table, and the dressers. And the very last thing I'm gonna do is vacuum over the floors, and that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be starting my spring cleaning series really soon, probably within the next week or so. So if you guys are looking for some major spring cleaning motivation, then definitely stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're interested in anything I mentioned, be sure to check the description box below and I'll try to have everything linked. And don't forget to check out DreamCloud. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.